Now let us talk about saving a presentation. It is important to save your work at regular intervals so as to avoid data loss because of any hardware or power failure. Follow these steps to save a presentation. Click on the Save button or select the File tab. Go to Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Specify the name My Presentation in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. The presentation will be saved with the name My Presentation and with an extension .pptx. Students note we can also save our presentation using Ctrl+S key combination. Students, F5 is a shortcut key to run a presentation. Now let us talk about closing and exiting the presentation. Closing a presentation. Click on the File tab, then go to Close option. The presentation will be closed, but the PowerPoint application window will remain open. Exiting a presentation. To close or exit PowerPoint application, click on the Close button on the title bar or click on the File tab and select the Exit option. The Microsoft PowerPoint application will be closed. Now let us talk about opening a presentation. There are 3 ways to open an existing presentation as shown below. Number 1. Click on the File tab, then go to Open option. Number 2. Click on the Open button on the Quick Access toolbar. Following either of the 2 methods, 1 or 2 will open the dialog box as shown in figure. Select any file, example, Activities of the month, as shown in the given figure, and click on the Open button. Using method 3 as shown in figure, the Browse dialog box will appear. Select the file and click on the Open button. Now let us talk about adding a new slide. While creating a presentation, you may need to insert new slides in it. You can add any number of slides to your presentation as needed. Whenever we add a new slide in our presentation, we must select its layout first. Open an existing presentation, example My Presentation. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the New Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab. A list of available slide layouts is displayed. Click on the desired layout. PowerPoint will add a new slide with the selected layout in the center of the PowerPoint window. The new slide can also be seen in the Slides tab on the left. Students note that to insert a new slide, press Ctrl+M key combination. Now let us talk about adding pictures to the title and content slide. Insert a title and content slide to the presentation. Click on the Insert tab and select the Picture option from the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Choose the folder where the picture is stored. Select the picture by clicking it or by typing the file name. Click on the Insert button. The picture will appear on the slide. Students note that to resize a picture, click on the corner sizing handles. While holding down the mouse button, drag the sizing handle as per your need and release the mouse button. Okay students, let us talk about slideshow. Microsoft PowerPoint provides the option of combining all the slides of a presentation into a slideshow. It is just like the pictures in a photo album. It displays all the slides in the presentation one by one on the screen. To run a slideshow, follow the steps given below. Click on the Slideshow tab and select either of the following options in the Start Slideshow group. From Beginning, starts the slideshow from the first slide. From Current Slide, starts the slideshow from the slide you are currently working on. Custom Slideshow. It displays only the slides you select. Broadcast slideshow. This feature broadcasts the slideshow to remote viewers who can watch it through web browser. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays information along with graphics, sound, and animation. A slide is like a page of a PowerPoint presentation that displays some information related to the topic. The Slides tab shows a thumbnail version of each slide shown in the Slides pane. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 saves a file with an extension .pptx. We can press F5 to view the slideshow.